In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Facebook Business Page Insights. Start by making sure you are already logged in to facebook.com. From there, go to the left navigation menu and open your Facebook business page. This will take you to the page where you can access all of your business tools and reporting features. Once your page is open, look again at the left navigation menu and click Meta Business Suite. This is where Facebook provides access to page management, content tools, and performance reporting in one place. After Meta Business Suite loads, find and click Insights. This section gives you access to the performance data for your Facebook business page, including audience activity and engagement metrics. Inside the Insights area, click Results in the left sidebar. The Results section displays a set of performance cards that highlight key page metrics. This is where you can review important data such as views, content interactions, link clicks, visits, and follows. Next, locate the specific metric that you want to export. You can choose the metric card that matches the data you need. For example, if you want to review page traffic, you might choose visits. If you want to analyze engagement, you might choose content interactions. On the metric card you want to download, click the Export button. This will open the export options for that specific insight report. Now choose the date range that you want to include in the export. Make sure the selected time period matches the data you want to review or share. This helps ensure that your report includes the correct performance window. If Facebook prompts you to choose a file format, select the format you prefer. Depending on what is available, you can choose the option that works best for your reporting or analysis needs. After that, click Export to begin downloading the Insights report to your computer. The file will usually download automatically through your browser, and you can then save it in your preferred folder if needed. You can use this report to analyze performance, track trends over time, or share results with your team. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.